Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your Moto Edge 50 supports Qi wireless charging and by placing a 15W capable pad on a stable surface. Plug the pad into the original wall adapter and USB-C cable for consistent power delivery. You then remove bulky cases over 3 mm so coils can align. Once done, power the pad and hold your phone over the center target until charge animation appears. This guarantees immediate contact and begins charging without wasting time. Next, fine-tune alignment. Place the phone so the camera or Moto logo sits over the pad's coil marker. Small shifts can double charging speed. Open Settings Battery to confirm wireless charging is active and disable battery saver, which can throttle input. While charging, close heavy apps and avoid wireless data-heavy tasks. This reduces heat and keeps charging close to its maximum rate. Make minor adjustments until the on-screen charging percentage climbs steadily. To finish, allow the phone to remain on the pad for a full stabilization cycle, roughly 20 minutes, so thermal management and calibration settle. If charging doesn't start, check the cable and adapter first by testing the pad with another Qi phone, then reboot your Moto Edge 50 and try again. If you use magnetic mounts or metal plates, remove them. They commonly block coils and create heat, which prevents efficient charging. That single troubleshooting step fixes most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.